I am happy. I am happy. This is my book. This is my book. He is my friend. He is my friend. She is a teacher. She is a teacher. I like milk. I like milk. Come here. Come here. Go to school. Go to school. I have a pen. I have a pen. It is a cat. It is a cat. The sun is hot. The sun is hot. I want water. I want water. This is my dog. This is my dog. I see a bird. I see a bird. I am a student. I am a student. Open the door. Open the door. Close the window. Close the window. He is eating. He is eating. I am sleeping. I am sleeping. She is reading. She is reading. We are playing. We are playing. The baby is crying. The baby is crying. I am in class. I am in class. She is in bed. She is in bed. He is at work. He is at work. The car is fast. The car is fast. The train is late. The train is late. The room is hot. The room is hot. The bag is full. The bag is full. My shoes are dirty. My shoes are dirty. Her hands are clean. Her hands are clean. His eyes are blue. His eyes are blue. Their house is big. Their house is big. Our teacher is kind. Our teacher is kind. I can see stars. I can see stars. I can feel pain. I can feel pain. I can smell food. I can smell food. I can draw well. I can draw well. I can run fast. I can run fast.